Hey guys, it's Jan Sharte and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 inventory mistakes that online boutique owners make, and they make way too often. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel where we talk about boutiques, e-commerce, business, and all things making money online. So I've had an online boutique for almost 5 years, and I have made my fair share of inventory mistakes that have ultimately hindered my ability to make money a lot. And I don't like that. And I want to help you guys avoid these same mistakes. So the first mistake is overstocking, okay? Some of y'all, myself included at some point, have way too much inventory. You're getting way too happy. Every single day, all these vendors are dropping new inventory. Your cart is always full and you keep pushing buy now. And that don't make sense. So what you want to make sure of is that you have an actual inventory strategy that is supported by whatever your revenue goals are. Your revenue goals can't be met if you don't have the right inventory. Not just having inventory, but the right inventory. So in order for you to have the right inventory, you got to actually read your data. Your data is going to tell you what product categories are your best sellers, what products are generating not only the most revenue, but also the most profit in your business. And you just want to make sure that you don't have more inventory than you need to have, especially if you're running your business from home or from a very small space. And a bigger mistake that you're making as it pertains to overstocking is not growing your audience as you're increasing in inventory. So there are so many people that are spending way more money on inventory, but they're not spending any money on things like ads, or they're not sending more emails, or they're not simply put marketing more. So if there is more inventory being brought into your business, then you want to make sure that you are marketing more to meet the demand, or to create demand, so that you can actually sell that overstocked merchandise. Number 2 is understocking. So obviously the opposite of overstocking, but understocking is a problem because obviously our goal is to make money and make a lot of it as an online boutique owner. And quite frankly, some people don't have enough inventory. So you might be wondering, how do you know if you don't have enough inventory? I would say it's less about the entire quantity of products you have in your possession and more about the individual styles that are selling out consistently. So if you continue to buy inventory and you're selling out of that inventory extremely fast, in all honesty, it's a proud moment, but it ain't that much to be proud about, because that also means that you're losing out on revenue opportunities. You're losing out on the opportunity to serve people. I remember when I used to be oh so scared of buying new inventory. I would buy 1 pack of everything. You know, it comes in like a pack of 6, and that 6 would sell, and then like clockwork, I would have all these people ask me, when are you gonna get more of that? When are you gonna get another color and things like that? And I would be like, oh, well, I have more inventory, but they didn't want that other stuff. They wanted the thing that sold out. So that let me know that I needed to focus more on buying deep versus buying wide. A lot of people are buying wide, and that's how they end up overstocked in inventory. You want to make sure you're buying deep in the categories that make sense for your business. So you don't want to be understocked, because that is going to hinder your ability to make money in places and spaces where you should actually be producing revenue quite easily. So the third mistake that online boutique owners make as it pertains to inventory is not restocking. Kind of similar to the understocking situation. You want to make sure that you are giving your customers what they want. This is not to be confused with someone sending you a random message saying, hey, can you sell X, Y, and Z? Like, we don't do that here. We don't do like random requests. But if someone is making a request that you bring back something that you've sold out of, like something that has actually made you money from, like you've made money from it before, it makes all the sense in the world to make money from that again. So instead of you putting your hard-earned money into something brand new, where you're going to have to create brand new content, brand new messaging, a whole new marketing strategy, it makes so much more sense for you to give your customers the things that they already love. Even if that means like giving them another color, giving them another variation of that same product, you're going to be way more likely to sell that merchandise and make money way faster and way easier restocking something than to buy something new. So if you don't have it already, make sure you add an app to your Shopify store that is going to allow you to collect restock alerts. And that makes it even easier to make sure that you're buying the right quantities of things versus you making a blind decision. So whereas with overstocking and understocking, you don't know how much to buy and you have to look at your data and kind of make an assumption about it. With restock alerts, they're literally telling you what sizes they want, what colors they want, and you can go to your vendor and say, okay, this is how many packs or this is what quantity I need. So overstocking is an issue, understocking is an issue, and not restocking is an even bigger issue. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in learning more about making smarter inventory decisions, check out my $1,000 a day challenge, which is linked in the description. It's like $19, super inexpensive, and it'll go through how to make smarter inventory decisions as well as 4 other topics that are essential towards your ability to make consistent revenue in your business. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.